Hello.
Hello, good morning, Papa
Good
Jack.
good morning. You've been sending me a message for several days now.
Yes,
I'm sorry. Alam mo ang
so
dami nyo and hindi ko lahat kayo ma-accommodate and thank you for the patience. What's your name by the way?
can call me Akatsa na lang po. Thank you for the opportunity. You're finally speaking to you na today.
Naka-headset ka ba?
Hindi, nakasker.
Naka?
Hello?
Ayan, paano po yung pangalan mo, ma'am?
Akatsa po.
Anong pangalan niya? Pangalan ba talaga yan o cartoon character yan?
Hindi, Japanese name yan.
Akacha, ano, how do you spell that? Like, how you say it? Yan lang?
Yes, how you say it. A-K-A-C-H-A.
Di ba ang Chang sa ano ay paggalang?
Hindi, most of na sa mga Japanese name po, may chan sa huli.
Oo. Parang yun ang
Parang,
paggalang sa nakakabata yun, di ba? Mm. Anyways, ilan taong ka na? Aka,
26.
26. Asan ka ngayon?
Negros po.
Akala ko nasa Japan ka.
Occidental.
Akala ko nasa Japan
Hindi.
ka. Oh. Negros Occidental.
Mm.
Ang Oriental ba sa Occidental ay magkalapit lang?
Yep.
Ah,
Travel lang po.
okay. Oh. Anyways, mm.
Mm.
26, you're young. Parang si caller ko kanina, bata din.
Yeah.
Mm.
I was listening nga.
Okay. Do you have the
That's
same
right.
problem as her problem?
Kind of. Pero ako, I'm in a relationship
Okay.
for more than a year.
Okay.
And long distance. I'm also a VA, virtual assistant po ako.
Okay.
Same as her.
Okay.
Pero my boyfriend is a chef. LDR po, cruise ship.
Asan siya?
Ngayon, nasa US.
Nasa US.
Ah.
Nagkita naman na kayo in person yan.
Apa.
Okay. Alright. So,
And, more than 1 year na.
What do you mean more than 1 year na?
In a relationship.
Okay. Nagkita kayo bago, bago naging kayo or ano ba?
Yeah. Po. Traditional na ligawan talaga.
Nice,
Bago
nice.
naging kami.
Alright.
And, all is good. Every time na nandito siya, nagsasama kami. Pero he's here lang for 2 months only.
Mhm.
Kasi naka-contract siya, tapos babalik naman sa barko.
Okay. Barko.
Cruise ship po.
Okay. Alright, sige.
So, I find it LDR hard po kasi sometimes talaga. First time, actually this is he's only my second boyfriend. Galing ako sa long term.
How long was the long term?
9 years.
9 years.
Yep. Tapos, 7 years na in relationship, or 9 years kami magkakilala. Tapos 2 years na single.
Okay.
Tapos nagka-relationship ako ulit.
You waited 2 years of being single.
Apa.
Okay.
Pumili talaga.
Well, good for you.
Yeah.
I can sense that you are so traditional when it comes to relationship.
Yes po.
Okay. So, anong problema mo ngayon?
Kasi in a long distance na relationship, yun lang yung nasa, and ang weight of being 26, I know a lot of people are saying young, and sa previous caller mo lang, there's a life ahead of us. And I know.
Mhm.
Pero I am the breadwinner sa household namin. Although, thank you Lord, I'm earning good. We're working from home right now. And my partner is also a breadwinner sa kanilang household. So when it comes to career-wise and responsibility, we're kind of the same.
Okay. Solong anak ka ba?
Yes, only child po.
Okay. Your boyfriend solong anak din?
No. Tatlo sila.
Okay.
Pero, breadwinner din, na wala nang tatay.
Okay.
Passed away.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos, I just wanted advice when it comes to long distance relationship. I'm more on confrontational. And I want to talk things,
Confrontational. Okay.
talk things out. Very girly na babae.
Okay. At least yun ang galing yan,
Yeah.
Very girly,
Yeah.
Okay.
Difference of men and women when it comes to that.
Anong course mo
Men
ng
are
college?
very business administration po.
Okay.
Mm.
Go ahead.
Tapos yung partner ko, I know he's really trying and giving me everything he can give. And I appreciate it. Pero every time na merong kind of problema po, sometimes he kind of shut off para na lang matahimik.
Would you rather him arguing with you?
Actually, I've got couple of friends na I can witness na very bubbly and very parang babae yung lalaki. And I don't want that as well.
Okay, I didn't get that. Ulitin mo
Pero,
yan. Paano yan? Paano?
I have friends na ibang personality ng mga jowa nila.
Why do you compare your jowa to another friend's jowa?
No, it's not comparing, pero they're very, and I don't want that too. I appreciate na, but I just want him to be a little bit open, and my guards are up rin when it comes to sometimes.
Okay, I'm not.
You get what I mean?
No, I'm not understanding you. Okay. Did you have an argument lately?
Recently, yeah.
Okay, what are you trying to solve tonight? Let's start there.
I just wanted to feel heard, understood, and I know he's trying.
You want to be heard, you want to be understood. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Okay, sige. What do you want him to understand? Be specific, eh? Because you want to be understood. What do you want him to understand?
Na sa connection. And
That's very
really,
that's very general. What is specific
Oo
thing
nga.
that you want him to understand? Kasi kung hindi mo kayang paliwanag sa akin to, paano ka niya maiintindihan?
I just wanted to connect with him na meaningful conversation. Kasi alam mo sa barako, pagod rin siya. Saksi ko rin yung pagod niya and everything. Tapos ako, pagod rin ako dito.
And your point?
Maybe because of that.
And your point is? Why do you say that? What's your point?
Because he's not really that open.
What do you mean he's not that open? Maybe you're comparing him to yourself.
Yeah, yung difference niya ng babae sa lalaki.
Yeah. Gusto mo ba siya maging babae?
No.
Oh, pala eh. You're creating trouble.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay, let's talk about your biggest fight so we can have something to jump off from.
Yung hindi naman biggest fight. It's just that I just wanted Zach na any tips ko sa LDR na although I know naman pero I'm just really confused sa ganun.
Ano nga dun? Look, ako, ipinagpapalagay ko ako yung jowa mo ngayon. And you will tell me, I wanna be understood. Ganito, ang lalaki, ganito yan. Baka ngayon mo lang marinig to, ha?
Mm-mm.
Men are task-oriented. Okay? If you tell us, I wanna be understood, we don't think of drama. Ang iisipin namin, ano gusto niya maintindihan ko? So now I'm asking you, kunyari ako jowa mo, you will tell me, I wanna be understood. Okay. Now, what do you want me to understand?
Yeah.
Hala, sige, pakisabi sa akin.
I think the problem kasi is on me and I don't know how to lower my guard rin. I'm very aware of that, Papa Jack.
I know exactly what's happening here.
Yeah.
Do you want me to tell you?
Yep.
You were so hurt with your ex for many years. And that trauma still lingers in somewhere in there. In your,
Exactly.
and that's why you're so protective of, even the slightest hint of being hurt again. You become so reactive. Am I making sense? In effect, you're making your boyfriend suffer the consequences of somebody else's stupid action. That's not fair.
Yeah, he doesn't deserve that.
So anong ginagawa mo sa sarili mo, Day?
Ah.
Huh?
Ang hirap, Papa Jack. I'm
Wala.
fully aware.
Yeah,
Sa ganon.
walang mahirap. Let's answer basic questions. Is he honest sa iyo?
Yes.
Okay. Do you feel... Well, para alam mo ha, men, ready for this? Maraming magagalit sa akin dito babae, pero I will let you into some men's secret. Ready? A lot of
Go.
men are one-liner guys. Yes or no. Tama, di ba?
Yep.
Because it's better that way.
Mhm.
Anong gusto mo? Apaka-tartitat mo na, yung jowa mo tartitat pa.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, magagalit sila sa akin eh. Pero sabihin ko na rin. Ready? Okay. That's why I ask you, is he honest sa iyo? You said yes, tama? Some men wouldn't tell you na mahal ka nila. They were not going to profess that loudly on social media, on to your friends. They will not do that. But by just being honest alone, especially when he's away, that's already love. Sa lalaki, pagpapakita ng pagmamahal na yan. That is a very silent but very effective way of saying mahal na mahal ka niya. That alone. Because being honest, generally, sa mga lalaki, is fighting against primal instincts. Pwede niyo sabihin sa akin na, di ba that basic yun? Totoo, basic talaga yun. Di ba? Basic talaga yun. But, to a guy, that's already a claim na kaya niya patunayan mahal ka niya. It might look bare minimum to a lot, but it is what it is. Plus the fact that tonight, there's no problem. You're creating one.
Yeah, right. Maybe, dahil galing ako sa long term, I just want his guards down. But I think his guards are down. I just expect more. And I shouldn't expect more.
Okay,
Pero I
okay,
shouldn't
sige.
help
Sige.
expecting more.
Okay, look, ganito I want to help you out. Alright? Kunyari ako jowa mo. What did you say? I want more, okay? Okay, ako kunyari ako jowa mo. O sige, sabihin ko. Okay, you want more? I want to give it to you. What is it?
Yeah, ganun din sabi niya.
So ano nga? Sige, tinatanong nga kita. What is it? You want more? Okay, I want to give it to you. Maybe I can work my way to give it to you. So what is it that you want? What more do you want? Be specific because remember, men are task-oriented. Ano yung more na gusto mo?
Connection lang talaga. Tsaka openness.
So you want...
Exactly what you said. Yun yung sinabi ng jowa ko. Be specific. Let me know what to do.
so okay, sige, okay. cute nitong usapan na to, no? Cute to kasi ako yung nagpapayo sa'yo. Pero pag ako yung jowa mo, baka isupot kita. Kasi masakit sa ulo to eh.
Yeah.
Diba? You're practically having him to audition for your attention.
Mhm.
Jowa ka na niya.
You know what, Papa Jack? Deep down sa heart ko, I'm just really afraid to be hurt again.
That's not his
There, yun.
That is not his number one, that is not his mistake. Number two, it's part of the risk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amen.
Ayaw mong masaktan, huwag magjowa.
Mhm.
Okay, let me go back. Sabi mo kanina, you're afraid to be hurt again. Tama?
Mhm.
Okay. Ang spin off nun, yung feelings mo na yon is that you become siguro di ko alam kung paano sabihin to, no? You become so protective of your emotion.
Mhm. Yeah.
But in the same manner, under the same breath, you want him to be to lower his guards down. Tama?
Mhm.
But you are the opposite.
Yeah.
So paano?
Yeah, I get it.
Because habang mula kanina hanggang ngayon, wala ka pang nasasabi sa akin na nakasalanan niya sa'yo, ha? And
Mabait.
ha?
He's mabait. Okay talaga.
So,
May mga misunderstanding. which
that's
is
normal.
given,
That's
pero-
normal. So, paano yun? Pag ako yung lalaki, tapos mabait naman ako, pero hindi ka satisfied, anong gusto mong gawin ko? Dukutin ko yung mata ko para sa'yo? Paano? Tilasin ko yung tenga ko, padala ko sa'yo para Ano nga? Sabihin mo sa akin. Because if you cannot tell me now, you cannot tell to your boyfriend because you yourself is not even sure.
Yeah, sabi niya pa ulit-ulit and he wants solution. Saka
Look,
be specific and everything.
He
It's
is-
really on me.
he is on a ship in the middle of an ocean.
Mhm.
You're probably the closest escape he can have.
Yeah.
And every time he would talk to you, you do this to him?
Not every time.
But
pero
most of the time.
sometimes. Yeah, and I don't want to be toxic.
You are being
Ah.
toxic. Alam mo, sa umpisa cute pa yan kasi bago pa kayo baka natutuwa pa sa yan. After a while, di cute yan.
Yeah, I know. Kaya nga, help me out.
No, you help yourself out. You don't... Ay, nako. Akadya.
Yeah, I'm listening po.
You have a unique talent. You wanna know what is it?
What?
You... Your unique talent is creating a problem where originally there was none out of thin air. Out of thin air. You'd create
I'm
chaos.
just overthinking stuff and creating chaos out of the top of my
You've been sending me a message for days now, like 3 days now. And this is your problem that's bothering you?
Yeah.
You have got to be kidding yourself now.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's just that, why would you punish yourself?
But it's really bothering me na
I know. I respect that.
You know, I know, and I've been following you, and it's really when you're falling in love, there's no breaks, like you always say. Pero once I'm here, and I've found a good guy, a good man for me.
Then don't push him away.
Deep down, it really hurts. The other side of love. Really afraid.
You are really overthinking this.
Yeah.
You,
Ang sakit kasi. niloko ako ilang beses.
But that's not
And I know
fair.
it's not
Okay.
his fault,
Sige.
ah.
Okay,
I
case,
know I shouldn't,
okay, case
you
study
know,
tayo. Case study.
punish him.
Okay, case study tayo. Alright?
Uh-huh.
Okay, case study. How would you feel if one day he'd tell you that the reason why he's the way that he is to you is because he's been hurt before and that he wants to protect, himself because compare ka niya sa ex niya.
Oh, that would hurt me so much.
And you're doing it to
I
him.
don't like
And you're doing it to him.
comparison.
You're doing it to him. You might say na, "Ay, hindi naman po," but you are. Your peg of how you treat him is because another guy hurt you. And that's not fair at all.
Yeah. Never fair. I thought I'm all good na. Pero once I'm here, I can see that sometimes really the traumas from the past really speaks to me when everything is calm and okay.
I'll tell you this, and I hope you remember it. It is not... Okay, two things. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
It is not his fault that he fell in love with you and he's being a good boyfriend to you. Kinilig ka ba doon?
Yeah.
Okay. Ang arte mo, nakakapikong ka, no? Ulitin ko. It is not his fault that he fell in love with you and that he's being a good boyfriend to you. That's number one. Number two, it is not his fault that you were not completely healed when you committed yourself into a relationship with him.
Mm-hmm.
So remember those two things.
Yeah.
One day, if ever, sabihin niya sa'yo, "You know what, Akacha, I'm tired of your attitude.
Mm-hmm.
I'd rather have another girl who's able to provide me peace of mind rather than mahal nga kita pero may stress naman ako sa'yo lagi. I will let you go." How would you feel about yourself?
He's really bad.
Why would you wait for that to happen then? Maganda ka ba, Akacha?
Yeah.
Okay. Alam mo bang walang kwenta ang ganda kung pangit ugali? Maniwala kayo sa amin.
Yeah, I
It
know.
means so little.
Mhm.
Walang kwenta kahit ano, kahit artistahin ka pa kung toxic ka.
Yeah.
Totoo.
I know. 100%.
Then why do this?
Mm-hmm.
Be loving. We both.
I am trying my best talaga.
Ay. This is a generational problem. Sorry. Oo. Diba?
It's really complicating things.
Alright?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Anyways, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.